My kind of town, Chicago.
Hello. Today we're previewing 3 of our Sensors Midwest demonstrations. First is a revolutionary new smart TMR magnetometer in a motor current sensing application. We're using a windshield washer pump and an SM324 eval board. The motor current runs through a PCB trace on the eval board. The eval kit user interface shows the sensor output. As we increase the voltage, the motor current increases. A valve simulates faults like out of fluid, and we set a sensor threshold so the red LED shows a fault. The demo board has the sensor element over a current-carrying trace, an LED showing the digital threshold output, a microcontroller to interface from the sensor I2C to USB to connect to a computer with USB or external power. SM324 features and specifications include 0 to 20 Ørsted range, 0.3% accuracy, wide supply range, low supply current, and it's ultra miniature. The second demo is a smart angle sensor preview. Like the smart magnetometer, this sensor combines TMR with digital signal processing. The sensor is here. We can read the angle as we turn a split pole magnet. Smart angle sensors will be available in Q4 2018. Key specifications include exceptional accuracy with temperature and linearity corrections, multiple outputs, wide air gap range, and it's ultra miniature. Finally, we have an analog angle sensor demo. Here's the TMR angle sensor. As we turn a split pole magnet, the LEDs follow the rotation. Red for clockwise, green for counterclockwise, white for stop. An inexpensive micro reads the sensor and calculates the angle with no amplification required. AAT series angle sensor features include low power, large amplitude, quadrature, excellent accuracy, and an ultra-miniature TDFN6 package. See these and other demos at our booth 201 at Sensors Midwest, October 16 and 17 in Rosemont, Illinois.